Hi guys, and welcome back to the Food Truck Guide. In today's video, we're going to help answer the question, what type of food trucks make the most money? It may not quite be what you think, so stay tuned to the end of the video to find out exactly what type of food trucks make the most money. Also, if you like the information we offer in our videos, please smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can be notified when our new videos come out. So, you may or may not know that owning a food truck can be an incredibly profitable business venture. There are so many different options out there for what kind of food truck you can have, like gourmet burger trucks, international food trucks, soul food trucks, taco trucks, dessert trucks, and so on. What type of food trucks make the most money? The typical food truck owner is a savvy entrepreneur with a creative mind and knack for marketing. But they also have to make sure their creative mind and marketing helps drive in profits. Important questions to consider when starting a profitable food truck business are things such as, how much money are you willing to spend, and how much time are you willing to spend on your business? The amount of time and money you spend on your business is a huge factor when it comes down to what types of food trucks make the most money. Some trucks take more time and overhead than others, but they all require time to be spent managing the business. Without the time, love, and money spent on the business, your food truck will not be all that profitable. So what type of food trucks make the most money? The truth is, it's not what type of food trucks makes the most money. Rather, it's the type of business owner that makes the most money. Owners that make the most money are the type that do the research, create, and follow a business plan. Now, if you're looking for ideas on which foods are the most profitable, then according to research, the most profitable foods are burgers, like gourmet burgers, Indian street food, stone-baked pizzas, loaded fries, grilled cheese, falafels, and mac and cheese. Now, this doesn't mean that if you have a food truck selling different foods that it won't be profitable. In fact, you can sell food which many would not even consider to be profitable and turn it into very profitable business. These trucks are the ones that the business owner researched a good location, marketing, and customer analysis. So once again, what type of food trucks make the most money? It's not the food truck or food type as much as the business owner who makes the truck profitable. Doing your research, finding good prices, and making a solid business plan are the key points in having a profitable food truck business. To learn more, get help starting your food truck business, check out the links in the description where we have great information to help get you going. Also, if you want to learn more on the math behind building a six-figure food truck business, click in the box in the upper right. And don't forget to join the Food Truck Guide Heartbeat, which is our online community for discussing everything food truck. Links are also in the description. Hope to see you guys soon.